What's up, guys? I just wanted to share. I just installed the high torque mini starter. Main reason was because I wanted to get rid of the solenoid. So what I did was I did a wire tuck. There's the new relay. And I'm in the process of cleaning up the engine bay. But I relocated all the wires, which I'll show you in a second. So I rerouted all my wires. I tried to be as clean as possible. I also put a lot of protection on the wires. You can see it's on the top. So now it's out of the way completely and not have to worry about any water issues getting up there. But as you could see, I ran everything nice and neat, clean, ran new wires. I'm very happy with this. It looks so much better getting rid of that solenoid. But I wanted to share just so people can get an idea or an option. I just started the car. Everything worked perfect, just as planned. Anyway, hopefully it helps somebody.